In this video, you'll learn how to restore any deleted messages on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open your messaging app, whether it's Google Messages or Samsung Messages. And then from here, you then want to access the recycle bin. So because I'm using the Samsung Messages app, accessing the recycle bin is fairly simple. All I need to do is just open up the menu, and then once I've opened up the menu, I just need to select recycle bin. Obviously, depending on the messaging app that you're using, it could be slightly different. So just go ahead and find out how to access the recycle bin. Once you're in the recycle bin, you should then see any deleted messages from the last 30 days. This is because your Samsung normally keeps any deleted messages for a 30-day period and then permanently deletes them from the device. So once you found your deleted messages, the next step is to select the messages that you wish to restore. So to do that, simply tap on select, then choose the message or messages that you wish to restore, and then select the option restore. Once you've done that, you should see conversations restored. And now, when you navigate back to the main messages menu, you should see all your restored conversations have appeared here. So now you can go ahead and continue chatting with that person if you had previously deleted their messages. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.